So this is actually going to be a little behind the scenes of me making a waxing video on TikTok. I haven't posted a video in a couple days because I had videos planned, but they've been set back. So pretty much I didn't have any content, and now I do. So yeah, half the time I'm wearing pajama pants and then I'll put on like a cute top, or I'll try to at least. My phone's on 16%. So I'm gonna do this. I need to wax my underarms. They're, oh my God! Wow! Really bad. So I'm gonna wax my underarms on TikTok, but show you guys as well on here. I have been so lazy today. After I went walking, I like literally didn't do anything. I was just in bed. I made dinner, and that was it. So, okay. I'm a little rusty. I haven't made one in a while. This is perfect though. My hair is kind of a mess. Maybe I should do my edges. Just a little. I never wear my hair like this. This is just extra dirty. All right, let's get into it. So I don't really talk in my TikToks, but I'll just go like this. And then it gets everywhere, but that's fine. I just clean that up after. Do this one off camera. I don't ever wax this one on camera because it looks weird. What I'm gonna do off camera is I'll go in and dry the area. I don't really show that on there. Now let me see, do I have any powder? Okay, and then I'm interrupted like 500 times from my family, but I'm gonna use this. This is PR, so I use it while I can. I love this stuff though. It's actually really good for under the boobs area for summertime. So yeah, spraying it on my underarms this time. My video. I'll just go in like that. I'm gonna do my other one too. I usually leave it, but since I'm going out tomorrow for my birthday, I don't want to have hairy bangs. Okay. So now, clean up just a little bit. Pull that out. Then I will check my wax. I turn the temperature down. Yes, perfect. Start twisting it around off camera. And then I'll turn it on. I throw my stick away, and then this is what I have going on so far. I'm a mess, but I won't be, which is the point of this video. I won't be. All right, so my wax is dry. Now I'm going to film this. Okay. See? Now I'll go back in. I'm going to show them up close what I got. Back. If you guys want to see, that's what came up. So let me go over them again. Figure out which way I wax them, so I'm gonna go check. Okay, so I need to wax up then. To be honest, this wax is actually a little too cool. I could use it warmer. That's why I think it didn't get up all the hair at first, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Try to get all that up once. gets stuck off camera, so then we gotta. There. And I'll slap it. And then that's it. That's how my underarm tutorial goes. I want to get this done and posted, and then I'll come back and actually film my YouTube video. So yeah, bye.